Hi, everyone. My name is Bailey Farren, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Perimeter. I'm also the daughter of two first responders. My dad was a firefighter, and my mom was a paramedic for 26 years. And in 2017, this is what my hometown looked like. We were evacuated from the Tubbs fire with no information about where to go and how to get there. And during the incident, everyone was looking for the same thing. People wanted a real-time map that answered questions about where to go and how to get there. And they blamed my dad's department for the fact that they didn't have one. So after the fire, I went to his station to understand what they were using for their situational awareness, how they were communicating between agencies. That's when I learned that the answer to that question is paper maps. Now, this was a big shock to me because I'm living in a world where I can track a burrito every square foot on its way to my house. But my dad is being tracked in the field with a Sharpie, and every other agency that I talked to was in the same boat. We built Perimeter to bring all agencies together on one map, from fire and law enforcement to emergency management and public works. And instead of just building one more piece of technology to add to the pile, we integrate with all of your existing systems, from alert and warning to Esri, and hopefully with some of my shark tankers in the future. So agencies are able to use Perimeter to collaborate across disciplines, but also to push information externally to the public in real time. When the public uses Perimeter, all they have to do is click a link, it'll jump right to their location, and it will automatically translate everything on the page based on their browser settings. So it doesn't matter which language they have or which language they speak, everything in Perimeter will be automatically translated to meet their needs. And then everything is also processed for low connectivity environments. We know that every disaster and every event is a low connectivity environment, and since Perimeter is mobile first, it makes it easy to access, easy to read, and easy to understand. Today, we've helped over 5 million people get this kind of information during disasters. And agencies in 11 states, including here in Texas, are using Perimeter not just to share information, but to become the voice of authority in their communities. Today, whenever Perimeter is sent out, it goes viral during events and emergencies because everyone's looking for a real-time map. And so when they find it, even if a community prior only has a 5 to 10% opt-in rate for their alert system, when they integrate Perimeter into their stack, they're able to reach closer to 95% of their communities. And it's not just for fires. Today, we've been used for floods and hurricanes, bomb threats, hazardous material spills, but also day-to-day road closures, hazards, and special events, whether that's a football game, a concert, or a parade. We're also used in advance of the incident. So, Mike, yes. So today, in advance of an incident, our agencies are able to use advanced AI evacuation modeling to locate potential choke points and ensure that they have a more seamless evacuation, whether that's from a disaster or a special event. And then for an after action, they're also able to walk through the entire timeline of the incident and automatically generate a report with analytics for everything that happened during the situation. Some of the best news is not only do I have another giant QR code for you to scan, but fire departments don't actually have to pay for Perimeter. We work directly with your county and state emergency management agencies to make this available to you and your communities. So if you're interested in seeing the platform, I would love to speak with you after. All right, let me leave you with this. During disasters, we all know that misinformation costs lives. Perimeter exists to make it easy for you to cut through the noise, take control of the narrative, and become the source of truth once again for every emergency moving forward. People like you and like my parents, you're the ones who run towards the disasters that the rest of us are running from. So you deserve the best that technology has to offer. Thank you.